Okay, first open the code drawer and create a new file and use the text function to create a letter. Okay, change the letter height to 150 millimeter and then change to bold to make the letter look bigger, like this. And then go to the top menu, see that the V. Yeah, my software is in Chinese, so you just see the V and S. Okay, like that, and click. Then you change it to this look, and then you right click, control the second option to convert it to curve. Okay, then you will see a lot of spots on the letters. After that, just export it to let's name it text. Okay, and the time for the file, select it to DXF. Okay, next export and choose the AutoCAD 2007 and click OK. Then we go to the Bending Machine software to open file. This one I just made, open. Then you will see the letters. Okay, please try it out, and if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.